chutties. Hi friends, welcome to Kutties. Today we are going to see another part of oil pastel drawing. So we already have another video of oil pastel drawings basic. We will put the video's link in the description box and you can see that before seeing this video. So as I told in the before video, we will first need oil pastels and then we will need tissue papers and we will need paper. So now let's start. Let's first take the color. I'm taking the red, orange and yellow. So first let's take the yellow color and let's start from the down part. So let's first make some partition. Next let's take orange and I'm going to, and in the top we know it's red, so no need of drawing a line for that. So now we will first start with yellow. You can just put your hard pressure into that and we are just going to hardly press it and color it. And as we come to the top, we are going to slow down our pressure, and in the top until this line you should come, and it should be very light when you come here. So let's start from the below part, so from the dark. Now let's start with the orange color. So you can start from this place itself so that the color will get merged with it. Again we should overlap on top of the orange and then we are going to just keep on going downwards. Now we finish coloring the whole page with red, orange and yellow. So what we are going to do next is we are going to take the tissue paper and we are going to fold it in the method which I said in the before video, and even now also I am going to show that. First the tissue paper should be folded into half and then again we should fold it and we should fold it again. Next we are going to fold this into half in this way, and now we can use the top corner of this to merge the colors. So let's start. Now we finished merging all the colors, and in the last it's looking like this. So next we are going to take our 8B pencil. So as I have said in the before introduction video, we will also need an 8B pencil for drawing this. So we are going to use this to draw. And now we are going to start up with another new form of drawing, and it's a traditional form of drawing which is Warli art. It is one of the drawings which were drawn on the temples, pillars and all in the olden times. To show the people, they used triangles, and the triangles is the main part in this drawing. So they only use triangles for drawing any kind of items. So let's start. First we are going to draw a cow over here. And then we are going to draw a woman over here, and we are going to draw sun, and if you want you can also draw a tree. So first let's start up with the cow over here, and then we are going to draw a woman over here, and we are going to draw sun, and if you want you can also draw a tree. So first let's start up with the cow. So now we finished coloring up the body of the cow. Next we are going to draw its legs. So now next we are going to draw its head. So now we have finished drawing the cow. Next let's go to the woman. Drawing the woman is more easy. So first let's start from here. Now we finished coloring her body. Next let's draw her legs. And her hands should be holding like this. I'm going to draw a sun. So now we finished drawing the whole drawing. Cow, and then a woman, and then a sun. And now we are going to draw two birds over here. So we finished drawing the whole drawing, and now it's looking like this. So I hope you liked the drawing, and I hope this video was useful and interesting. We will meet you in another video. Until then, bye bye from Kutties, chutties.